Once upon a time,
In a village, incidents of cutting down women's hair plait started to happen. As the night fell, a witch with dagger would appear, and she would cut and went away with the hair plait of any woman she found sleeping. No one was able to understand why was this happening. Then one day,
Oh dear, please keep your hair hidden. The incidents of cutting hair plate are increasing in the whole village. I am afraid if the witch finds out about your long hair, she would come and take away your hair plate too.
you don't have to worry. No witch is fearless enough to even touch my hair plait.
Okay, as you wish. I just wanted to beware you. If something happens, don't come sobbing to me.
Bhima left after stating that. Then, as the night fell, the hair plait cutter witch arrived in the village once again. She was looking for her next victim here and there until she spotted a woman sleeping from the window of a house. She broke into the house and cut the hair plait. As soon as she cut the hair plait, the woman awoke. Almighty, how did she get in? Oh God, where has my hair plait gone? Oh, I am dead. Just then, the witch flew away from there, and the woman tried to chase her, but the witch disappeared in darkness. Realizing this, the woman's husband too reached there, following his wife.
What happened, Meena? Why did you come running all the way here so late at night?
Look what happened. The witch cut my hair plait, and I don't know where she had disappeared in darkness.
Oh God, what has happened? Are you fine though? Did she hurt you? Let's go. We shouldn't stay here in midnight. If the witch returned, we would be in a big trouble.
They both got upset and returned their home. The next morning, the word happened with Meena spread like a wildfire in the village. Everyone was talking about the witch. Bhima got anxious about his wife, so he rushed to his home. Upon reaching, he entered his wife's room and found out that his wife was combing her hair.
Suman, did you find out? The last night that witch cut off the hair plate of my friend, Mohan's wife. I am so worried for you. I am afraid that she might come here.
Hey, we don't need to be frightened. You don't worry. Nothing will happen to me.
Suman, your hair are getting longer day by day. They didn't used to grow at such pace before. Why are they getting longer so quickly now?
Well, I'm being caring too much then. Maybe that's why.
Alright, take care. I'm going to see Mohan.
Then Bhima reached Mohan's house.
Brother, Mohan, how are you? I heard about sister-in-law. It's indeed saddening. What do I tell? Ever since Meena's hair plate is cut, Meena does not stop crying. But what about Suman? Is she fine? You really need to look out for her. She might be witch's next victim. You are right. Even I am worried all the time. I guess I should go now. You take care of yourself and Meena.
After saying that, Bhima returned his home. Then, at night, Bhima was sleeping. All of a sudden, he heard a loud scream. He woke up and looked around. Suman wasn't there in the room. He got scared.
Suman, where are you? Suman, where are you?
Oh Lord, I am ruined and robbed. The witch took my hair plait. Oh God, I am robbed.
Whose voice is this? I guess the witch has attacked any woman once again. I must go outside and find out.
He ran outside and saw a few villagers standing. He rushed to them.
What happened? What were these screams about? Is everything fine?
No, it is not. The witch cut this innocent's hair plate and then disappeared in darkness.
Oh God. Suman, where are you? Should go back home.
Then he started running towards his home. Upon reaching, he was surprised to find out that Suman was in her room, decorating her hair.
Suman, where did you go? Do you know? The witch preyed on someone's hair yet again. Don't you fear her at all?
Suman ignored Bhima and continued to decorate her hair happily. The length of her hair was now even longer.
What is this, Suman? Your hair grew even longer in just one day. How is this possible?
Bhima became scared, looking at Suman's hair, and he had no idea what was going on. Then the next day, the news about Suman's long hair spreads in the whole village. Everyone was talking about her hair.
Brother, every time the witch cuts someone's hair plate, the length of Bhima's wife hair increase. I think Bhima's wife is the real hair hunting witch.
Bhima was listening to the villagers' conversation. He had no idea what to do, so he sought help from his friend Mohan.
Mohan, I think Suman is the witch who has been cutting the hair plate in the village. Why are you saying that, brother? Every time the witch cut someone's hair plate, Suman's hair grew longer. And when the witch attacked last night, Suman was not on bed. Then she came back out of nowhere. If that is the case, then we need to do something. Do one thing. Pretend to be asleep tonight, and as soon as Suman leaves, follow her. This way, the truth will be revealed. Brother Mohan, you two come with me to my house. You hide there secretly. Then we will catch her red-handed. Okay, let's go.
Then both of them returned to Bhima's house. Mohan hid himself behind the almirah. At night, Bhima pretended to be asleep. Soon, Suman woke up and left the house.
Bhima, get up, Bhima. Look, Suman has gone outside the house.
They both started following her. After some time, Suman turned into the witch and started looking for her prey. Bhima and Mohan were astonished.
Brother Bhima, your doubt came out to be true. Your wife turned out to be the witch. What should we do now? She must have gone in search of her prey. If we didn't stop her, she would again cut someone's hair plate. But brother Bhima, why is sister-in-law cutting everyone's hair plate? I don't know. Ask her yourself when you meet her. Let's follow her.
Then they both started to follow her. After following her for a while, the witch stopped and then she looked around for her next prey. Just then, the witch found a house and went in. She saw a woman there.
Brother Bhima, sister-in-law has entered the house. What should we do? Oh, fool. What do you mean, sister-in-law? She is not your sister-in-law at this moment. She is a witch right now. We should keep following her.
Oh, wow! Her hair is too long. I will prey on her hair tonight. Just then, Bhima and Mohan reached there.
Stop right now, sister-in-law. I won't let you do that. Hey, witch, stop right now or we will kill you. Suman, this is not right. You need to stop this right away.
You fool human! I am not your Suman. I am a witch. I just need a bit more hair. Then I will become the most powerful. And then I will be ruling everywhere.
Bhima, keep her busy. I will sneak behind her to cut her hair plate.
As planned, Bhima kept the witch busy with his words. Mohan stealthily got behind her and cut her hair plait off. I am dead. What did you do? You ruined everything I did. Now, as the hair plait cut, all the powers of the witch vanished, and Suman got out of the witch's possession.